Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's episode, we will be learning how to disable notification on My Talking Tom 2. If you want to turn off the notification settings in My Talking Tom 2, first of all, go ahead and launch the game open on your device. Once you're logged into your account and if you have turned on the notification setting and if you ever want to disable it, simply go ahead and launch open the settings app on your device. Within the settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. All of the apps that are installed on your device will be displayed on this page. Scroll all the way down and tap on My Talking Tom 2 and then click on notifications. Now toggle off the button right next to allow notification and this will disable the notification setting for your My Talking Tom 2 application on your device. This will stop My Talking Tom 2 from sending any notifications to your device. So that's it for today's video. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.